Wow, the wind is blowing. I'm probably rocking. I hope I don't make you seasick. I was on a chat on YouTube today and met some new people. And in the process of talking, she had watched one of my my videos on bed bugs. And then she mentioned something about how when she worked in a daycare, she had to check the kids for lice and that kind of thing. And I thought, oh, well, that would be a really great video to do. Because one of the things she said was that some of the kids they didn't have the money for their parents to buy the prescription medicine to get rid of the lice. And I know that there is a better way than putting chemicals on your kid's head. It actually kills the eggs, so you don't have to do it over and over and over again. You don't have to keep buying the prescription, and anybody can afford to do this. So what you do is you can buy Listerine, and you want to get the yellow kind. I guess it depends on what color your hair is, but you want to get the yellow bottle of Listerine. It does not have to be name brand. So you can do the generic Listerine in the yellow bottle, so you can get it at the dollar store for like $1. And then you want to put it in a spray bottle. And what you're going to do is you're going to saturate the kid's head with this. So their hair is going to be completely wet with the Listerine. You're going to put a shower cap on their head, and then you're going to leave it for 2 hours. And what happens is it suffocates any and all of the lice, no matter what size or how, if they're adults, if they're little, it doesn't matter. It suffocates them all, and it kills the eggs. So when you use the store-bought stuff, it doesn't kill the eggs. So you only get whatever the adults or the different varieties that are I've already hatched. It will kill those. But I have found that before I discovered this, that didn't even get all of them. There were still some left behind. But with the Listerine and the shower cap, they can't escape. They can't get out of the way. They can't hide if you have soaked their head with that Listerine. I have even done it overnight, just to be sure. That way I know for sure it was there the whole amount of time. And then in the morning, they just wash it out. The only reason the color matters is if they have like blonde hair and you get the blue or the green Listerine, it will give a little bit of a tint to their hair. So that's the only reason for the color. So the yellow one doesn't change the color of your hair at all. So that is the fast, easy, I think the best way to get rid of lice for your kids. Now, if you've already had lice in your house, there are some other things that you want to do to keep other people from getting it. So I have 5 more tips for how to kill the lice that may already be in your house if they have had lice. So if you like those, shoot me a message and I will see you.